Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your system audio in Google Meet using your computer. This is super useful when you're presenting a video, a song, or anything with sound. First, open meet.google.com and start or join your meeting. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on the share icon. That's the one that looks like a screen with an arrow in it. When the sharing options appear, you'll see three choices: your entire screen, a window, and a tab. To share audio, you need to choose either your entire screen or a tab. But here's the key part. If you pick your entire screen, make sure to check the box at the bottom that says Share System Audio. If you pick a tab, your browser will automatically share the sound from that tab. Now, click Share, and everyone in the meeting will be able to hear whatever is playing on your computer, whether it's music, video, or any sound effect. When you're done, just click Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. That's how you share your system audio in Google Meet on your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials like this.